Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Ronald and Rian. Guys, I need to tell you one bad news. Guys, I know that we uploaded a video today, and guys, we made this drawing, but guys, somehow this drawing, I was making this drawing and we were recording at that time, but it didn't got recorded. Guys, I don't know how that happened. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for that, guys. Guys, as you can see, you put the background of that, and you would have seen that in the last video. We told in the last video how to rob the bank vault. Guys, we are gonna make this Among Us character, but a better version of it. Guys, as you know, Ryan is not better than me in art. I'm better than him.
Let's go on to take the brush a little bit.
Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please turn on the post notification bell so you will get our notifications every time.
Yeah, we should get.
Guys, I think in this video my face will be revealed. Guys, this will be a very short video.
Yeah, guys.
Because guys, we made a video yesterday, and because of that video I almost got late. It almost got 9 o'clock and I was still not home. It was almost 9, guys. So guys, this time I'll try to make it fast.
Oh, the glass. Ooh.
Guys, this is called the windshield, not the glass. Don't listen to Rihanna. I'm better than him in Among Us. And I also play Among Us before him.
Yeah, Ronald just told me.
Guys, I told him about the Among Us.
Airship map. Yeah, finally it's out, guys.
Guys, it was out. Guys, the Inner Sloth said it will be out on 31st March, but it came on April 1st.
Yeah, for me. If you guys have.
Guys, same for me.
Yeah, same for me.
Guys, everybody was commenting that it came on
April 1st.
And guys, there was also a video on YouTube. What if the new airship map came on 1st April?
I think so, because mine came on April Fools, and April Fools the airship map never come out at April Fools. I just kept checking on App Store, and finally that update option come.
And guys, we told you in the last video that you cannot use mod menu, and guys, it is true. I tried it for myself and it did not happen.
It didn't record it because we were at the drawing and same time.
And guys, you cannot use mod menu in the new update. I tried it a lot of time, but it didn't happen.
Oh.
Guys, I need to tell you one thing about the new RHM skin. Its full name is Right Hand Man. And guys, if you kill a person with the RHM skin, you will always get that
eye animations.
Yes, guys, you will always get that eye animation. No
if
other
you are
animation.
killed by it.
Yes.
If you RHM skin, the Right Hand Man skin is a very popular skin. If I had a mod menu on at my iPad, but it cannot get. But if I
Tell me what color should I do to this player?
Let me think. It should be light blue because that's my favorite color.
Cyan. This one.
Light blue.
Sea blue. This is this one or this one? Which one?
I choose the light blue one.
This one.
Yeah, the light blue one.
It's called sea blue.
Oh.
No, sea blue nahi. It's called the sky blue.
Whoa. Okay. We are just coloring it.
Guys, I'm just coloring it in the normal way. I'll make the details after this.
Okay, guys.
Guys, this is just a rough sketch. And Ran, call me Ronak Bhaiya. I'm bigger than you. Surreal Saab. Guys, I love this word, Surreal Saab. Guys, do you play Free Fire? If you, then guys, please tell us in the comment because guys I love that Free Fire.
Okay, but guys, I need to tell you something that I just got when playing Roblox. I played Brookhaven. I made a new friend, and I saw some glitches how to break into people's house. I used that glitch, but something very crazy happened. Just that I was floating on my door and something. I was up and that happened, and then our house cams and go on an house because it was very funny. I didn't want to laugh myself that much. That's why, guys, I did it. And we can tell things. You? Okay,
Guys, if you want to get the new RHM or Robux in Roblox, then guys please subscribe this video. I put it a code on the description. Please use it and you will get free Robux, 1 million Robux free, and all skins in Among Us. Guys, to do that you have to you will get the Robux immediately, but to get the all skins, first you need to go on Among Us. No, first you need to go on settings, then put the date March 31, and then when you come back you will see all the skins. And guys then put your permanent name what you want, and then guys put it back to the real date. And guys, that will be so great. Great.
Let's make it lighter with the add color thingy. Guys.
No, it's perfect.
What color will we make the glass, guys?
Guys, we know what color that glass is. First, I need to go on blue. Yep, this light one, and I need to get the lightest.
Wow, guys. Great. We have to do a little bit of gray shading at the side because always an Among Us character has it.
And guys, we need to put some dark blue also and some light blue.
Yeah, because the guys don't miss the shadow. If you draw it a little bit of dark blue here, and then let's color it.
Guys, put the dark blue right here at this amount, and then yep, and I need to get this blue again. Yes, now it's perfect again. And now guys, I need to make it like like this.
Yeah, cause that's quite good, guys. That's quite good.
Guys, I know that you are noticing that we are talking in English sometimes and in Hindi sometimes. Guys, that happens with Techno Gamers. Guys, if you know that, guys, you are the best. I love that Techno Gamer, guys.
Ooh, we are coloring it like this, and now like this. Now let's go.
Top. Yep, this is much better.
We are gonna erase after some time. Let's go and draw it.
So, guys, it's done. Guys, as you can see, it's Among Us player. Guys, I know it's not that great, but that's the max I can do with this Apple Pencil.
Yeah, guys. At the point of this time, we have to get a little bit of white reflection for it, guys. Yeah, a little bit of white reflection we would need. Yeah, done. A little bit of on this. Now let us make it right here because it's gonna be an imposter, and we would also color it red sometime because the imposter is sometimes red, but not it today, guys. And we are shade it right here. We are gonna make something white like that and get it like this. What is it? Yeah, let me just.
Yes, guys, this is done. So, guys, let's save it. Save the photo. Okay.
Guys, we would skip this ad. We don't want it. But
Guys,
first,
Guys, first, let's see if it's on the photos. And guys,
guys.
Guys, it didn't came on photos.
Let's see. Wait, where is it?
Guys, let's just delete some of the photos.
Yeah,
Guys, let's just
delete them. We are gonna delete my photo.
Guys, we are gonna delete this. Run this.
No.
This no.
No.
This thing, it's very dirty.
Yeah, it was mine, but it doesn't look that good.
And which one?
Not these one.
Now let's delete them. No, this one also. Delete 9 photos. Yes. Now there is a lot of space.
Let's now save that to gallery.
Guys, guys, first let me just erase all of this.
Hey everyone! Today we're going to be creating an avatar on Boop Kids. Let's get right into it. Today we're going to be creating an avatar on Boop Kids. Let's get right into it.
What?
Guys,
We just called Siri over here.
guys, it came. Guys, this is okay.
Let's just make a background of it, guys.
No, guys, we will not make the background of this. We will make the background of this. Our last drawing. Use as wallpaper.
And
Guys-
we are gonna make.
Guys, I have one idea. Set on lock screen. Now, guys, this should be okay. I set it on lock screen. That is when we open it. So I need to set it on home screen, and we will the photo that we make, it will be on the lock screen.
Let's do it.
Set home screen. Now, guys, we should get this. Yes. Now, guys, let me change the photo for this. I love it.
Yes.
Use as wallpaper.
Yeah, guys, and yeah, do it.
Guys, I don't want this, any of this. Guys, set lock screen. Now, guys, we should stop it, and guys, see you later. Tata, bye bye.